then join it with the points. So we have from here to here as our angle 135 degrees. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be constructing the angle 135. I know this is something like a compound angle and we have to add the special angles to get 135. And special angles we are going to be adding will be 60 plus 60 degrees, which gives us 125 plus 15 degrees. That means we are going to be constructing angle 120 degrees and angle 15 degrees. So let's start constructing. Remember, angle 15 degrees is angle 30 degrees divided by 2. So let's start. First, we are going to draw our straight line. We'll be constructing this angle. Now, I just want to construct this angle here. I'll name this place O. The next thing I'm going to do now is to draw a semicircle, which is something like angle 180 degrees. After then, we'll construct our angle 120 degrees. Remember, the angle 120 degrees is 60 degrees in two places. You can construct it anyhow, that from here, or you can also get your second 60 degrees from this point, marking it here. So now this is angle 60 degrees, angle 60 degrees, and angle 60 degrees. This is 180 divided by 3 to give us 60 degrees in 3 places. Now we only need 60 degrees in 2 places. We want our angle to be going this way, so that means we'll take from here to here at our angle 120 degrees. Now we are going to be constructing our angle 30 degrees, which will later bisect to get our angle 15 degrees. To construct our angle 30 degrees, we are going to be bisecting the last angle 60 degrees that is here. We're bisecting it, and this is me bisecting our angle 60 degrees, the last one. Now I'll have to make a mark here at this point where the point and this place where I bisected it. I'll make it on this semicircle, so I'll be able to bisect the 30 degrees that is here. Now we know we divided 60 degrees into 2, making here 30 degrees and 30 degrees. We'll be dividing this 30 degrees here next to the 120 degrees so we can get our 15 degrees. Now let's bisect. You can put it at the 2 ends where the point, the sharp edge, will be putting at one end. Then make your mark, put it at the other end, and make your arc. You have to be very careful by doing this. Now I'm going to be joining this place where the 2 arc met and this place. Going to make a mark there, then join it with the points. So we have from here to here as our angle 135 degrees. Remember, from here to here was our angle 120 degrees, from here to here was angle 120 degrees, and from here to here is our angle 15 degrees. That's how I added both of them together to give us angle 135 degrees. Now using our protractor to check it, we have angle 135 degrees. So we've confirmed that what we constructed here is angle 135 degrees. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you want to be seeing more videos like this, and turn on the notification button. Also, meet me at the comment section in case you have any question you want to ask. Thanks for watching. Bye.